Assalamualaikum class, how are you all? I hope you are fine. This is your English lesson and today we will read or know about some topics from grammar. Okay class, first of all we will discuss about the date and the day. What's the date today? Who will tell me? Muhammad, will you tell me what's the date today? What is written on the board? Yes? Which number is this? 12, very good. And the month is January. The year is 2026. So, we'll say 12 January 2026. Okay, who will tell me the date in Urdu? Yes, Khizr? आज क्या तारीख है? 12 जनवरी 2026. नया साल हमारा शुरू हुआ 2026. शाबाश. आज दिन क्या है? What's the day today? Yes, Aisha. What's the day today? Monday. Well done. Today is Monday. In Urdu we say Peer, and in Arabic we say Yawmul Isnain. Yawmul Isnain. Well done. Now talk about the weather. How's the weather outside? Is it sunny, windy, cold, warm? How's the day? How's the day and how's the weather? Today weather is very cold and it's foggy outside. How's the weather? The weather is foggy. Now let's start today's lesson. Okay class, let's discuss about the weather. How's the weather outside? Look outside and see how's the weather. Is the weather cold? Is the weather warm? Is it sunny, windy, cloudy? Can you see the sun outside? No, there is no sun outside and it's very cold. The weather is foggy today. Okay class, let's start today's lesson. Class, let's start today's lesson and today the topic is words opposite. What is the meaning of the word opposite? Who will tell me? Yes, Sharmeen, will you tell me the meaning of the word opposite? Muttazad, shabash. Let me write the meaning of the word opposite. Yes class, I have written the meaning of the word opposite on the board. Words opposite, यानी हमने अल्फाज लिखना है और उनका हमने उलट बताना है कि इसका उलट क्या होगा. For example, we will write the examples. You will tell me the words and you will tell me the opposite of those words. I will ask you one by one. Yes, Abdul Hadi. Tell me any word and tell me the meaning of the word first and then I will ask you the opposite of that word. Okay, the first word is Abdul Hadi, new. Very good, well done. New. Okay, tell me the meaning of the word new. Shabash, naya. Okay, it's a very good word, new, naya. And what will be the opposite? The opposite will be old. Well done. Old. Old का क्या मतलब होता है अब्दुल हादी? Old, पुराना. शाबाश. Old is new. Old is opposite of the word new. Okay, let's come to the second example. Yes, Elise, tell me the second example. Very good. Big. And what is the meaning of the word big? Bada, shabash. And tell me the opposite of the word big. Small. Well done. Small. And what is the meaning of the word small? Chota. Chota. Shabash. Clap for Alize, everyone. Yes, Ishal. Now it's your turn. Tell me another example. Hot. Very good. Do you know the meaning of the word hot? Garm. Very good. Yes. Do you know the opposite of the word hot? Cold. Shabash. Cold. And cold को हम उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं? ठंडा. Well done. Thanda. Today the weather is cold. Well done. Okay. Yes. Jannat, will you tell me another example? Yes. Happy. Well done. Happy. And what is the meaning of the word happy? Khush. Happy. Khush. And what is the opposite of the word happy? You are happy, I am happy. And sometimes, yes, well done, sad. Sometimes I am sad. And what is the meaning of the word sad? Udas. Shabash. So, here are some examples. Hamad. Now it's your turn. Tell me an example of the word of which we will write the opposite. Okay. Hi. Very good. Hi. What is the meaning of the word hi? Uncha. Uncha. Very good. Well done. And what is the opposite? High. Low. Well done. Low. Low. And what is the meaning? Nicha. What is the meaning? Nicha. Yes. Now who will tell the sixth example? Yes, Musa, will you tell me the sixth example? Yes. Full. Okay. Full. मतलब भरा हुआ. Okay. And what will be the opposite of the word full? Half. Well done. Clap everyone for Musa. Half will be the opposite of the word full. Okay class, now I will write some words and what you have to do, you will write the opposite of those words. These were some examples that I have given to you. Like it will clear the concept of what is a word and what will be the opposite of that word. So now I am writing the words on the board. What will you do? You will copy these words on your notebook and you will write or will try to write the opposite of those words. Okay, so get ready. Okay class, now we will start the main activity and you will tell me some words and you will tell me the opposite as we have done them in the previous introduction. Okay, now let's start. Yes. Who will tell me the first word? Yes, Sikandar. Tell me the first word. Near. Very good. What is the meaning of the word near? Nazdeek. Shabash. Well done. And what is the opposite of the word near? Far. Well done. Far क्या होता है? दूर. Okay. Clap, everyone. His answer is right. Okay. Yes, Ali. Tell me the second word. Thick. Okay, what is the meaning of the word thick? Thick? Mota? Okay. Well done. And what will be the opposite? Thin. Barik, patla. So, in this way, we will write the words opposite in our notebooks. Okay? Okay. Who will tell me the third word? G. Miral. Third word is long. Okay. Long. What is the meaning of the word long? Lamba. Okay, I have long hair. You have long hair. Okay, the opposite of the word long is short. Short. Short क्या होता है? अगर long हो गया लंबा तो short छोटा. Well done. छोटा. This tree is long. This tree is short. Okay. Arham. Now it's your turn. Yes. Tell me a word. Strong. Very good. Strong. Strong. What is the meaning of the word strong? Strong mean ताकतवर. Are you strong? Yes. You are strong. I am strong. And what makes us strong? Healthy food. Healthy food makes us strong. Milk, eggs. If we'll eat them regularly, they will make us strong. Okay, strong. And the opposite of the word strong is weak. Weak. And the meaning of the word weak is kamzor. Kamzor. If we will eat unhealthy food, then we will get weak. Okay. Fifth word. Yes, Iqbal. Fifth word. Okay, tall. Fifth word is tall. Tall is again lamba. Tall is again lamba. And what will be the opposite? Short. Short is chota. Tall, lamba, short, chota. Yes, Huzefa. Now you tell me the sixth word. The sixth word is dry. Dry. Yes, what is dry? Dry my clothes. The weather is dry. Khushk. Well done. Khushk. Yes, and the opposite of the word dry is wet. Well done. Wet. Wet. Gila. Gila. Very good. Yes, Iman. Now it's your turn. Tell me a word. Open. 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 Khula. Khula. Yes. Well done. The gate is open. Open the book. Okay. Tell me the opposite of the word open. Close. Close your book. Close your notebook. So, close. What is the meaning of the word close? Band karna. Okay? Well done, class. So, we have written 7 words. Now, it's 8th one. Okay. Now, it's your turn, Kashaf. Tell me a word. Early. Wow. Very good word. Early. Pehle. Early. Pehle. I came home early. I will come home early. I come home early. Okay? So, early is to come and before time. Okay? So, early is pehle, and what will be the opposite? Late. If you are late, you are not reaching somewhere on time, in time, so you will be late. Late, देर से. Shabash. Well done. Early, late. Okay. The next word is, who will tell me the next word? Yes. Abrar. Okay. Right. Right. The word is right. Right has 2 meanings. One is left or right, सीधा, उल्टा. Or right has another meaning, that is right or wrong. दुरुस्त, गलत, दुरुस्त. So you can write the both opposite of the word right. Okay? If you are writing wrong, your answer is correct. There is no mistake in this opposite. Or if you are writing left, it's correct as well. Okay? So, right has 2 opposites. For one is wrong, right or wrong, or right has another opposite that is left. So, we can use both. Well done. Okay, Dua. Now it's your turn. Tell me 10th word. The 10th word will be day. Very nice. It's day. So, tell me the opposite of the word day. Day, then, okay, first of all, I will write the meaning of the word day. The meaning of the word day is then. Okay, what will be the opposite? Night. Very good. Well done. So, I am writing night over here, and night means Raat. Shabash. Well done. Okay, class, we have written 10 words, and we have written the opposites as well. Now, I am writing the 11th word, and who will tell me the 11th word? G. Kamran. Tell me 11th word. Okay, light. Light. The 11th word is light. Light. Roshni. Yes. Roshni. And what will be the opposite of the word light? Dark. Well done. Dark. Dark. Andhera. Very good. Dark means andhera. So, the opposite of the word light is dark. Well done. Yes, Atif. Now it's your turn. Yes. In. A very small word. In. Yes. What is the meaning of the word in? Andar. Well done. And what will be the opposite? Out. Okay, out. Bahir. Well done. Clap for Atif, everyone. Yes, Abdul Qadir. Give me a word. Push. 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 धक्का देना. ठीक है. Push is to धक्का देना. धकेलना किसी चीज को अपने से दूर करना. ठीक है. That is push. And what will be the opposite of the word push? Pull. Well done. Pull. Pull. अपनी तरफ खींचना. ठीक है. Push is to move something away from you, and pull is to move or drag something toward you. Okay. Now it's turn for the word, and the number is 14. Yes. Umar, tell me a word. Okay, start. The word is start. Start means shuru karna. The meaning of the word start is shuru karna. And what will be the opposite of the word start? End. Start shuru और end ख़त्म करना. किसी भी चीज़ को मुकम्मल करना. ठीक है. ख़त्म करना, मुकम्मल करना, फिनिश करना. That is end. ठीक है. वैसे end is basically used to ख़त्म करना. ठीक है. जो हम यूज़ करते हैं end ख़त्म हो गया. Okay. 15. Who will tell me the 15th word? Yes, Abu Bakr. True. Okay, this word is used when we are going to solve our true and false statements, and we have to identify which statement is wrong and which statement is correct. So we use the term true and false. Okay, what is the meaning of the word true? Durust. Shabash. Or what will be the opposite? False. Well done. False का मतलब क्या होता है? गलत. Okay. Yes, class, we have written 15 words opposite. Now we will have you can say a wrap up, and I will ask you, I will tell you the words and you will see the opposite and you will tell me like are they right or wrong. Yes, near. The opposite of the word near is far. Okay, well done. Thick. What is the opposite? Thin. Well done. Okay. The third word is long, and the opposite for the word long is short. Okay. Strong. The word is strong, and what is the opposite of the word strong? Weak. Yes, the other word is tall, and the opposite for the word tall is short. Dry. Dry. Opposite is wet. Open. The opposite for the word open is close. Early. Late. Right. Yes, right. We can write wrong or left. Both are correct. 10, day, then, and the opposite for the word day is night. Okay, class. The 11th word is light, and the opposite for the word light is dark. In, andar. Opposite for the word in is out. Okay, push, and the opposite is pull. Start, start, and what is the opposite? End. True, and the opposite of the word true is false. Okay, class, these were the words opposite, and what you have to do, you have to copy them in your notebooks, but make sure your writing must be neat and clean. And class, note down your homework. Okay, class, note down your homework, that is write words opposite on your notebook. What will you do? You will write the date and day on the top of the page, and you will draw the margin line, and after that you will write the words opposite that was written by me on the board. And please do not write the meaning. You only have to write the words opposite. You will only note down the English part, and you will not or will skip the Urdu part. Okay, so complete your work, and make sure your writing must be neat and clean. We will meet inshallah tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz.